Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can highlight muscles in a video using CapCut PC. So you can just add your workout videos or your fitness video to the CapCut PC. And to start highlighting, you can go to where you want to highlight. For example, I'm going to highlight in here. Now you can just click on this button and click on freeze, and I'm going to make the freeze frame shorter like this, and you can just copy and paste the freeze frame like so it will be on top of each other like this. Now click on the one in the main track and deactivate it first. Click on the overlay and go to the masking, add mask, and in here I'm going to use the pen. So let's say I'm going to highlight this muscles in here. So you can just choose the area that you want to highlight. Okay, for example, like this. And let's activate the main freeze frame. You can now click on the overlay again and go to the adjust. Now scroll down and increase the saturations to 50 and go to the curves. Scroll down until you see the green and blue color and drag this dot to the bottom so the color will pop just like this. So it will become red. And if you want to make it smoother, you can go back to the masking. So in here, click on the freeze frame, go to basic, video and mask. Here I'm going to adjust the dot just like this. And also I'm going to add some feather like that. And let's see if it will become smoother. So this is how you highlight muscles in a video using CapCut PC. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. So please give me a like, leave a comment, also click on the thanks. Bye.